Just got my Stiffy Hybrid Modular push-pole in the mail today. It's got 3 sections, said and done. This is going to be a 24-foot pole. Right now I'm going to use the kit that it comes with, which includes 2 ferrules, epoxy, and a foot and a spike. So step 1, what we're going to do first is we're going to mix up the 2-part epoxy. This is 5-minute epoxy. And we're going to go ahead and take one of our pieces here and just insert the foot. And then let's go ahead and put the spike on. And to do that, we're just going to do the same thing, take a little bit of epoxy and just spread it around. All right. Rather than, using a cloth when it was still wet, I'm just rolling it off with my finger. And as you can see, it's making a nice clean, look at that. All right, so that just comes right off. So now that we've got our foot and our spike in, we're gonna go ahead and put the ferrules in that are used to connect the pieces. And to do that, we're gonna mix up another bag of epoxy here. And then we're going to go ahead and insert these 2 ferrules into the one with the foot and the one with the spike. Let those cure overnight. Let it dry. Then tomorrow morning, we're going to go ahead and take the 2 outside parts that don't have epoxy, coat them, put the middle section on, let that dry, and you're all set. So let's go ahead and get these ferrules in. All right, so we've mixed up, we're mixing our epoxy now. Coat half of, we'll say, ferrule A. We're just gonna take it and insert it into the one with the part with the spike. When you get about halfway in, you wanna stop and set that down and let it dry. Take the one with the foot now. Do the same thing. Just coat this with half, slide it on in, let it dry. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit, dry, and we'll come back tomorrow morning and put the middle part of the Stiffy Hybrid pole, and then it's time to go put it to work. Okay, so we've let our 2 pieces that we did yesterday with the spike and the foot, let the 2 ferrules dry overnight, and they're not going anywhere. So now it's time to connect the middle piece. Okay, so now that we've got that end put together, we're going to coat this side. And once you got the ferrule fully coated, let's go ahead and we're just going to slide it on in. And then I'm just kind of wiping down the seam, any excess. Just wipe it down with kind of a damp paper towel. So there you have it. We're all finished up here. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. There's only a half dozen or so steps involved. Took me maybe all 10 minutes. And I'm ready to go test out the new 24-foot hybrid Stiffy I got here.